So welcome back to Code Along blog number, I don't know, what stream are we, 5, I think? Yeah. So I'm Dan, and we are working on a calendar app. So far, Dwayne's been doing most of the driving. Today, I think I figured that we'd kind of switch things up, and I'll take a spin at or take a turn at the wheel. So I immediately noticed when I pulled the project and tried running it that MongoDB is hard-coded to localhost, but my MongoDB is not on localhost. It's actually on a server that I have. So what we're going to do is we're going to change it to use like an environment variable so we can have it work across the board. And you just have to update that to point to your Mongo IP address or whatever, and you can start your server and it'll work. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. So I think the easiest thing is just to what is it, like process env or something, right? So we'll do like MongoDB host, or should we do the URL? Well, like maybe not the data. Well, maybe the database is fine. Okay. So is it process env and then just that, right? Okay. So if it doesn't exist, then we'll fall back to what we have now. All right. Do that. Let's see. I think MongoDB URL. Do I need an equals? I forget already. Okay. Nope, that's not it. Crap, what is my IP address? It is 0129. 129 or 219? No, 129, okay. And the port is 27017. Okay, so now I should be able to run the server and it should connect and everything should work. All right, it didn't. Connection refused. I did set the correct one, right? MongoDB URL. It did not. Okay. Well, let's do this. I'll just go ahead and update my my global, like my system environment. And I think so. Does it export? Yeah, okay. Oh, this is PowerShell. Why is it PowerShell? Yeah, okay. All right, so delete that. All right, command, there we go, okay. See, I don't know why, like when I start a new terminal, this is all like blank. It's really weird. All right, so now, I don't think so. Like tab completion, you mean? Oh, well, yeah, you could do this. So I have a third command line. All right, so set M. Okay, so there we go. This should work now. So what you drinking? Bills. Oh, is it local? Okay. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, usually I don't like pills. I'm more of like the darker ales. Like maybe during summer I'll have the lager, but that's about it. All right. So it looks like I'm connected. So we can connect here, and why don't I see? Oh, I probably have to like start my, yeah, like actually add something. Okay, we should probably add some. Yeah, I started that a while ago. We'll have to pretty this up, but it's fine for now. So I don't actually have a login, and username is invalid. So how do we create a user? Okay. So is this on the board? Okay, probably not. Okay. And then do you want to mark that as in progress and move the month navigation back? No, we didn't. All right. All right. So let's maybe, I think we can pretty this up a little bit. I kind of want to do like those cards. Have you seen those? Like, yeah. So let's see. I just want to see what the syntax is for that. Components, layout. Oh, really? Oh, that's cool. Mat card. And we got to import that. Great. All right, so we don't want server. We want, was it login? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. Add components, modules, here. Yes, there we go. Why does it not add spaces? Yeah. Okay, so that should be good. And what was it? Mat card. Okay. So we'll do, actually, was it mat card title? Yeah. Okay, so we have content. So mat card content, that'll be the form. Then maybe we could even have like a button for login. That way, if someone wants to click it, they can. So mat card actions. Oops. Okay. Let's see. Do we have like a button already for material? Let's take a look. That might. Is that really it? I guess. Okay. Okay, which I would like that. So instead of an icon button, it's a mat raised button. Okay. So then let's do login. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, what is mat input? Was that part of the example? Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I think it was in the example, wasn't it? Yeah, it is. Huh. So, all right, well, we'll go with it. All right, that is not at all what I expected. I was hoping to have. Yeah, it probably did. So, oh gosh, I'm not used to the Firefox debugger. Uh, yeah, I could. Well, I could, but I use Chrome all the time. Yeah, why? What? Huh. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Well, is it not as good or is it just not as familiar? Oh, okay. Hmm. Okay, that's weird. All right. So Matt Card. So I think maybe I wonder if we want to do like a maybe. Yeah, I'm thinking like like I kind of want it to be sort of like in the middle of the screen. Like I don't want it to be so big. So like it'd be sort of like a little rectangle in here. So it I think Matt Card just kind of goes like yeah. So should we use like a grid layout and then like basically the middle one is the card? I don't know. I don't know how mobile friendly that's going to be though, but maybe we don't worry about mobile right now. Okay, so let's do this. We'll call it like login container. Display is what, flex grid, or is it just grid? Grid. Okay. I actually don't remember how to use grids. Let's look it up. All right. So we got display grid. Like, yes. Yep. Yeah, I used it for like one of my PRs at work, but then someone took it out. So because they did it the Flexbox way, which is fine. Okay, that's fine. All right, so is it? It's just margin auto, right? Yeah. Okay. I was hoping it'd be more striking than that. Yeah, well, height. Is there like an elevation that we have to set or something? Max height, that did not work. I wonder if max height is just no, correct. It's inside of the mat actions. All right, so login container. Add card content action. So the content is pretty small. Yeah, it is. I thought. Yeah. Yeah. I thought. I mean, if you look at this though, you can see it. Yeah, it's got more elevation. So, now let's take a look. Matte simple card. All right. It seems pretty basic. So let's see, matte card. I don't know. That's yeah. Nope. Matte elevation. Oh, I wonder if you can add matte elevation something. Okay, so let's do height. Okay, so you could do like a height of 100, and then yeah, but well, because it's outside the well, yes, that still does it. So card content margin top display block. Huh. That is weird. Card content. So. The which section? Oh, the actions. Yeah. Delete. Gone. I don't know. Yeah, over here on the box model. Oh, I guess there's also computed, but that's display block, padding. Yeah, so the layout. It's got to be a style or some kind of class on here, right? 56. So it's if you change this display from like, or if you get rid of display block, then it goes small. So yeah. Well, I guess maybe for now what we could do is just throw a border around it and then come back to this. Because I don't know, unless you want to keep digging at it. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do that. All right, so then we got this. Okay, so then we'll have like login. Should we have like sign up or okay. I think. Okay. So if they, well, does that even make sense though? Because like then if they, like, couldn't we just do a sign up automatically? Like if they click login, the account doesn't exist, then it just creates it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So we'll create a sign up button and then move on because like I think the goal is to eventually replace all this stuff with like Google sign in or something. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to spend too much time on something that's temporary. I don't know why my smart indent is just wrong. Yep, they are. What the heck? Oops, no, I can't do that. It's a sign up. So log in. Why did you see that? I just pasted it and it indented. That's weird. Okay. So cleanup push user service sign up. This name subscribe. And then maybe what it could do. Let's see. So I think, should we auto log them in if they sign up? Yeah. Okay. No. Nope. Do we have like a post? Yep. Okay. So create. Oh wait, we do have create. So we'll use that. Okay. I don't know. Do we use it anywhere? User service, user routes. Oh, that's on the server. That's on the server. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Well, now we're going to use it again. All right. So I think that's all we need. Oh, like authenticate user or something. Like turn this. Yeah, we can do that. Or actually it would be like post login, right? So this post login. Okay, good. All right, did not like that. Do I have too many? Maybe? No. That's user service. Oh, wrong file. I was in the wrong file. Okay, so we just need to subscribe, I think. Although, I mean, if there's an error, then we should probably show it. Okay, so I'm able to sign up. Like, I don't think we have anything in there right now for this that would trigger this error. So, I don't know. But if we do, it's here. So enable. That, yeah, we could do that. So I will sign up. Okay. Good. Well, now we know who made it. So this is your message. This is mine. Okay, so unable to create account. All right, I think that's good. I think it's already done, isn't it? Ooh, what do I call it? Sure. So what is it? Login? No, user controller. Okay. Okay, so we have get, search, create. So if it errors, we get 500. I don't believe we did. We're using Mongoose, so schema name. So here, what is it? Type. then unique true. So that should do it. And then it'll auto create the index as soon as the schema is used, I believe. So it should just work. All right, so good. My name is Dan. Click and nothing happened. All right, how do I get the console? Is it? Huh. User sign up, not a function. It kind of shows that it's there. Yeah, the casing is correct. Login HTML is called sign up. And this is called sign up. Sign up. Okay, let me restart my server. I don't think we did. We did not. Is that a task in Trello? I think it is. Let's go take a look. That's not really it. So dev is really running both client and server in one command, right? No, yeah, the watchers were always working in the client side because that's built into Angular. For the server, what's that? I don't know. That's a good question. Let's see if it worked now. It worked. What do you mean? That's a good point. Well, yeah, I see your point. I think really what we should do is we should just have it log in, and if we need to register them, there should be like a link that they click to sign up, and it takes them to a different screen or something. But I think maybe yeah, that's how it works. Yeah. So I just want to see real quick if we throw an error when we click sign up with the name already. Nope. Let's take a look. Let's find out. Calendar. We don't. That's the problem. No. Yeah, I'll delete that one. Oh, maybe you're right. Yeah, because it didn't reload because of the schema. Oh, are we not watching the schema? Yeah. So this is watching. Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay. Yep, good call. All right. Let's see, where are we? Whoops. Totally not what I wanted to do. Now people saw my email in place of your face. Yeah. Okay, so log in and my name. I'm going to create account. Good. Then, of course, the screen shifts around, but yeah. Yeah. All right, so how much time do we have left? It's 7:40, so I think we got about 20 minutes left. Yeah, that's true. We can. Yeah. Okay, so new user workflow is done, I think. So we wanted to events. Yeah, I think we want to navigate first. All right, so I think we'll want to like shrink this calendar down a bit. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Sure. Oh God, I did it again. I keep tabbing over to Chrome, and then it replaces your face. All right, I'll figure this out one later. All right. So where's the calendar code? All right. I don't know. Do we actually route to calendar? Because I think this. Okay. Let's go look at the routes. Yeah. No, we should not. So home, I think. Okay, so home is the root component. Then we have login. Then we have calendar. So should we create like a? Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking of. High five. Yeah. All right. Do that. I think. Oh, so here's the error. Like when I created Dan again, then we saw this, so it didn't work. Awesome. All right. So ng generate component dashboard. Let's see if it works. Yeah, right. Yeah, it is. You're right. Oh no. More than one module matches. I probably have the syntax wrong. Like I hardly ever use this. I think the last time I used this, and probably the only time, was on the stream, like 2 months ago or whatever. Maybe is it dashboard component like that? Oh gosh. Oh, I did it again. All right, that's going away now. All right. Yeah, so more than one module matches. Use skip import option to skip importing the component into the closest module. All right, well, then I guess we'll just say skip import. Okay, so that created it. Ooh, that's not what I wanted this. Let's call it. Oh, is that it? Yeah, you might be right. Delete dashboard component. Yeah. So move that up, and then we go to top bar base component. Where are the components? The definition module. Okay, so then it's here. So we got dashboard component. Okay. So user service, and we just go to dashboard. And then dashboard. Why did it do that? So I think we just did like login.ts, but they did dashboard.component.ts. Well, yeah, neither do I, but I'm not going to change it now. Okay, so we just want, it's app calendar, right? Okay, so we'll wrap this in a container. Okay. Yeah, so it's my fault. All right. Yeah. All right. All right. think this is all fine. Let's actually add a style to it real quick. So we call it calendar container width 400 pixels. Let's take a look. Angular. Okay, so I'm home. Oh, we're gonna have to add some sort of like navigation system too, like a sidebar. All right. Oh, not bad. Yeah. Oh yeah, could do that. All right, so I just want to see, like, if we increase the width from 400 to 800. Oh, that's cool. It actually scales. It's kind of nice. Yeah. Nice. So 500 or 600, I think, is fine. This is 600. That's 500. 550. 600. All right. We'll do 600. All right. So now it should be centered. So let's do. Oops. We want to do margin auto. Why? Oh, I forgot to update the width. All right. Okay. So now where should we add the next previous month buttons? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like, should they? I think they should be kind of big, right? Yeah. Okay. And actually, you know, it'd be kind of cool is if we could even do like a little faded preview of next and previous months. Yeah. All right. But later. Yep. Okay. We could do that real quick. Right. So day of days. Let's see. Class. We'll make a header. All right. Do you remember the API to get the name of the month? Oh, awesome. Okay, good. Okay. 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 Oh, so you could change the language. That's cool. Cool. Let's maybe center it and bold it. Yeah. Oh, actually, let's do which one? Okay. Awesome. All right. Yep. So on the left and the right. All right. So we'll have, we'll call this like dashboard container, which will encompass the whole screen. So we'll move that inside of here. Should they? No. I would think that the calendar. So, I think eventually we would pass in the like the month here. You know what I mean? Like a yeah, like to me the calendar represents a month and everything that goes in that month. It doesn't necessarily have anything to do with the navigation because we could come up with a variety of different ways to navigate, and we could do the arrows to the like left and right with the swiping and everything. Uh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So then, what would the just the month be? Like, what would the name of that be? Versus, like, I feel like we would have a better time coming up with a name for the component that includes the calendar and the navigation. So, like this. Okay. Just a type of view. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I see what you mean. Okay. That's fine. Let's kill this lint. So selector of the should be named kebab case. Include dash. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. What was it? Just ts lint. Why do we have two of these? Did we ever figure out why? All right, so oh, look at that. I think we could just kill. Oh gosh. So what is this? Component selector. I think we can just the app. Well, it was complaining about kebab case. Oh. Oh, that worked. Yeah. Okay, but that worked, so good. All right. So calendar container. So we don't need month. So then calendar itself. For now, we're gonna throw in the navigation. Yeah. So let's. What should we call it? This should just be like month container, right? Yeah. Yep. So then we should do the arrows here. Let's see, how could we do this? Do we just want to do like previous month container? I'm not really liking where this is going, but I'm just going to keep going with this and just to get something working. No, I think we could still do the arrow, but I think the next and previous months would be, it would be the month view, but a little faded. And then on top of that, there would be like arrows or something. Like when you mouse over it or something, there would be arrows. I don't know that it would work well on mobile though. Mm-hmm. Right. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. I think it is, but I mean, we can kind of keep that in the back of our mind when we get to that point. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, it's fine. I'll still call these previous month container, if that's okay with you. Should we have like fab buttons? How do we do fab buttons? It's like the little tiny icon button. It's like a little circle. So I'm just looking for like a less than sign. Okay. We'll see if that works. Okay. Yeah, very gross. Okay, so I think we need to, instead of doing divs, should we use... Okay. Okay. I was thinking of using the flexbox, and then you just change the okay. So we'll have calendar container. We'll have to revisit the dashboard in a second, because the name, like we're reusing calendar container a lot. So CSS. Oops. This is display flex in flex direction row. Is it? Okay. Okay. So then in the dashboard, we'll have to make it like 100% or something. So now this, I think we want, oh, why did it, I think we want, yeah, that is kind of nice. I like that. Yep. So this. So either justify content or align content. I'm still trying to figure out how, there you go, align self center. But it is not 100%. I think there's something, okay. What do you mean by the same height? Oh, wait, this? Okay, so what if we say height 100%, like that? Okay. This is 195 point something. You know what? So month container, okay, so does H1 not count? As far as like the yeah, I think it is. I would think so too, but it doesn't look like it is. Yeah. I would. So yeah, that's what it is. So why don't we wrap a div around this and see if that makes a difference? Okay, that did not do anything. What the heck? No, we did not. We, yeah, month container, it does not have a height. So the height is whatever is inside of it, which is the header along with its surrounding div, but that doesn't really count. And then I would think so. Yeah. So no. Okay. So we can just kill that then. I think we should just get rid of the H1. Yeah. I don't know, just because that's I'm sure that's going to that will fix it, but I still don't understand why it looks like it's just not being counted as far as like the height, like it's not contributing to the height of the month container or right. Mm-hmm. This was what, align self center? Yeah. Let me get those in there real quick. Retrieve month container. Container. Align self center. All right. So I'm just gonna get rid of the header. We'll add a style to this, a month container header, or how about just month name? We got month name. So, font weight is bold. It's font weight, right? Do we want to have it text align center? Font size 2 REM. It doesn't look right though. Okay, so yeah, there's still something else going on. Yeah. Nope. Right. Oh, wait. That's interesting. So if I get rid of height 100%, then it's the same size. Yes. Yep, that makes sense. So we're saying it's 100% the height of the container in addition to, yeah, okay. So let's put this back to H1. All right, so month name goes away. I did get rid of height. So month, we're saying month container needs to be 100%. Oh, right. Yeah, that's not doing it. I There was no height. Oh wait, hang on. I'm getting confused with all these. Yeah, sorry. No, I was looking at the different. We have two calendar containers. That was kind of confusing. So which one should not get the height? Let me reload this. Just get rid of all the changes. Okay, so no height on the outer. Calendar does not have one. Calendar container does not have one. Month container. I think it is. Like, the height is already calculated. Yeah. I don't think we should have to. Because this should be 100% of the height of this div, the month div. So should we, how do we tell it not, like, how do we say 100% means 100% of this div, not the whole, like, okay. To REM, I think. No, totally not. Right. Yeah, so it's 38. That's still taller than. Oh, yeah, you're right. So that's 38 plus, let's say, 21 and a half. So 43. So 43 plus 38, 51, 71. Yeah. So it's really like 81. All right. That's weird, though. That's weird. Like, I don't like that. Because, I mean, if we change the size of this, then we're going to have to recalculate that. And I feel like we shouldn't have to do that. But that's something that we can look into later. So for now, I'll just go ahead and add it. Yeah. All right. Sure. We are, but I don't think that height is actually doing anything. So So let's go back to dashboard component, and I think we can just kill that. Yeah. Oh, no. What the heck? Yeah. Okay, so we can kill the height here. Right. Oh, gosh. CSS can be so confusing. Like, it's just like, okay, try it here. If it works, great. If it doesn't, well, try it here. It's just, yes. All right, so that. Okay, what the heck? I just undid everything. Did I not? Oh, okay. All right, so I think we can kill this. And if we go back here, we had calendar container, and this should get the height for now, which we have to fix that because this should not be in charge of the height. All right. It's not including the header, so we'll have to fix that. But I think we need to start wrapping it up. So real quick, I'm just going to add functions for the next and previous. So click previous month, and then next month. Oh gosh. Previous and next. Okay. So then, yeah, let me go ahead and push these changes. I didn't make any changes to a server, did I? Oh yeah, I did. All right. I think that's all good. Let's see, what did we do? Added sign up. I'll go. Let's see. What was that first part? Yeah. Good. Uh-oh. Let's see if I can remember my. All right. So that's something that I'll have to figure out. Yeah. And I know I pushed to it before. Oh, maybe that's it. Oops. Oh my gosh. Let's get push. Okay. Oh no, I'm not going to show that to people. Oh, good. All right. Yeah. I'll have to figure it out later. So, well, for those of you who watch this, thank you for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions for us, please reach out to us. You can, actually, how would they reach out to us? Yep. Okay. That works. All right.